Guys, so I'm going to be teaching you in this video how I blocked the hard base using this princess mat and this shiny net material. So I'm going to show you the simple steps on how I achieve that. So I encourage you that you stay till the end, and if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. Thank you so much for joining me in another tutorial. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my mold, the mat, and then I have the net, this shiny net, and then my stiffener and the coconut oil. Then I have the pin and the little plate I'm going to be using for the mixing of my stiffener, then the plier if need be. So I'm going to go ahead to find out the measurement I'm going to cut out, and I'm going to add extra 1 inch. Can you see how I'm measuring it? So I have about 11 and a half. I can actually cut out 12 inches, sorry. So now I'm going to also wrap my mold with a nylon. Please, best practice is a white nylon. I can't find any around, that's why I'm making use of this black one. Then I will go ahead to rub my coconut oil on the mold. I'm going to rub it, and then this is my mat. You can sprinkle water on this mat to make it a bit damp. And for me, I just dyed the mat, so I didn't allow it to dry. So I'm also going to be mixing my stiffener. Just pour out the stiffener and add a little drop water, and then you're going to turn it to mix well. It doesn't have to be so watery. Now I'm going to be applying this stiffener on my princess mats. I don't trust the the table, that's why I actually place the nylon first. So you go ahead to use, I'm using a foam, you can use brush to apply your stiffener on the mat, all over the mat. And when you are done doing this, you take it to your mold and place it on the mold, and then you place the nets on it as well before holding them down with your pins. So if you're finding any aspect of this tutorial difficult to understand, please you can leave your question in the comment section and I will attend to it. So now I've placed my mat and I'm going to be using my pins to hold them down. And while pinning, also note that you have to pin the 4 places first before pinning the other side. That's before you see it how I do it in the video. You pin down this part and then you pin down the other side. That's also what you are going to be doing for the other 2 sides before placing your pins all over the other areas. So please, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you are highly welcome. And if you are enjoying this video, if you find it valuable, please like my videos and please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated whenever I upload new video. So can you see how I'm pinning it? I'm now pinning this side and I'm also going to pin the other side of it before I will go ahead to attach pin all over the other parts. Please also, while pinning, make sure that you avoid folds. If at all there is going to be a fold, make it as negligible as possible. So I'm going to go ahead now to attach the pins all over the other side. If you encounter any heavy fold, you can remove the pin and then stretch it again. Just make the folds as negligible as possible, if at all it's going to have a fold. It's okay to remove the pin and straighten it well. Okay, so I do hope that you're finding this so valuable. This is simply how to block your fascinator base with a net. So can you see that it's very neat and very nice. So this very method, you can actually use it also while blocking a veil net. If you are blocking your mat or your cinnamon with a veil net, you can actually use this method as well. Okay, so before you apply the last stiffener, remember to remove this pin at the center, and then you apply the final stiffener, and at the end you place it under the sun for it to dry up before wiring and styling the fascinator base. So thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you find this very valuable. Please like my video, and if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do so. See you in my other video.